Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a foldable staircase in Minecraft Java Edition. I don't know what versions this works on, but I'm on 1.16.4. And you'll need these blocks. You don't need that, but I'm using that. You just need any staircase, any solid block, redstone torch, sticky piston, redstone repeater, and redstone dust. And this is going to be out of a lever, so we also need a lever. You can use a T flip-flop, but whatever. That's more complicated than just this, even though it's not really. So we're going to have a sticky piston there, and a sticky piston there. Now, we're gonna put another sticky piston there, and then another there, and then we're done with sticky pistons. And now we do the redstone stuff. Now okay, put your redstone torch there. Then I'm pretty sure we're done with that. Then put that out, and it's very important that you put it 1, 2, 3 out before you start doing that, or else it just won't work. Okay. Okay, good. Now, we don't need that. Now, what if I'll just keep it there? Now we will, what am I gonna do? Oh, we're gonna go there and then down. And if I would, no, why did I do that? Just don't do that, by the way. Now, have these go down, and then lead one of them to, no, actually just lead them all the way over here, and then like put a lever there, and if you flick the lever, then it should attract these, but if it's too far away, somewhere in here, put a redstone repeater. Just anywhere, that still lights up whenever you do it. Get some more redstone, and put one there. Go through here. Done, and now it should work. And if they don't extend, then put a repeater somewhere. Now I have finished the build. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that we finished with that. Done with that. Everything. We didn't actually need a redstone or a repeater, but whenever I was testing out with it, I did need a redstone repeater because it was just too far away. Oh, and if you want to know how to do that, let's go back over here. Okay, so we're gonna destroy all of that redstone, dig down 2, and then there only 1, and then right under there. Then place one everywhere except there. There, we just place that there, and then it should still work. The redstone signal not strong enough? It isn't. Okay. So yeah, if you do use this method, you will need you most likely need a redstone repeater. Okay. Now we place that there, and it still works. And if it doesn't still work, like, oh, mine isn't working. Okay. Then either place another redstone repeater right there, or move that one from there to there. Oh, oops. Now, boom. Oh yeah, it looks very ugly. Probably don't want it to be ugly. /clear building blocks. Let's use carpet because kind of have to. Let's just use this carpet. Mess it up, it will. Okay, let's do that. And if I will break it, it won't break it. Great. Now we get some wool, preferably of the same color of carpet. This and make it look like your decoration for your wall and your base is this. So yeah, I will definitely